This is a comparative speed test made with two other phones with similar specs that are not so expensive, to check the performance-price ratio.
Actually, we want to see if it's worth all that money.
As a start, in Antutu benchmark it gets a total score of 242,542, better than the first-ranked Huawei Honor View 10. You can compare all the other technical details here or check the links in the description down below. Also in video description you have the link to subscribe to our channel for free, so please click subscribe.
Let's start the comparative test.
All the results are counted frame by frame, so they are pretty accurate. Open Google Chrome. Open a simple website, then open another more complex website.
Open primary camera.
Now let's power off and then turn on the phones. Some of the results are quite puzzling. As you can see here, Galaxy S9 turn off very slow compared to the other two, but it power on much faster. Open Antutu benchmark app. Now let's load some game apps, then test how fast the games start. At Super Mario Run, even though Galaxy S9 started loading first, it finished inexplicable second. If you want to see tests for other games, please let me know which one, in a comment below. Now let's see some of the most downloaded Android apps. How fast a video is loading. Now Google Play app. Here you can see it is very fast and responsive, although in tests the touchscreen had some errors. A future update will resolve this situation. Now let's do a wireless speed test. Here I was very disappointed. You can see the results. I tried with changing the server, same bad and slow results. Here are the total results of the tests. In conclusion, it remains the most beautiful designed phone on the market. If you don't want to pay for that, or for marketing and advertising, then you should choose a less expensive phone with similar technical and sometimes faster performance. So choose wisely. Overall I'm not disappointed, but I expected more from this brand and from this flagship phone.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe.